welcome back to the LNC Painter YouTube channel. My name is Andre, I'm the painter here at LNC, and today we're going to continue working on the Lamborghini Huracan that we painted a few months back. First time around we painted and installed the carbon fiber Vorsteiner fenders with the carbon grills. So now we're going to paint to match the rear upper bumper section, since all this is carbon and he wants to leave that exposed. We're going to mask it all off, do our 3-stage orange metallic paint job, and then on the hood I'm gonna mask off the center carbon section. The front and the sides is gonna be painted body color, and then the rest is gonna be carbon. I'm gonna clear it, and once I clear it, the carbon is gonna shine. So that way we're gonna seal that line, the transition between the paint and the carbon. And then these grills we're just gonna mask off because they're satin black inside and we don't want to clear them. We'll do the same process. We'll do my sealer, we'll do 2 coats of base, we'll do 2.5 coats of mid coat, and 2 coats of clear. So lots of steps, lots of masking, unmasking. Got a little bit of work ahead of me, so let's get to it and not waste any time. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna apply our sealer, and on the sealer I'm gonna go very light around all the edges. I don't want to wet it too much because when you get it too wet, it might seep through the underside of the tape, and then you're not gonna have your crisp lines. First coat, do a nice mist coat almost, let it dry, and then you can go a little heavier. Same on the bumper. Everywhere we have the fine line tape, I'm gonna do a lighter coat. And on that, we'll just do a regular coat. Let's go. Our sealer is applied. We're gonna let it flash off for about 15-20 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna go mix up our base coat and get ready to spray. Our color code is L0E2 Arancio Borealis. It's an orange metallic tri-coat. So our first base coat, here's our toners. I already mixed everything up and we're ready to go. Basically, the system tells me how much of each toner to put to get the correct color depending on how many ounces I want, and it adjusts. So I mixed properly according to the system and our color should match. applied our metallic mid coat. Everything is looking dry and we're ready to unmask. We did our 2 coats plus a control coat. So the bumper we're gonna keep masked up because we're just gonna clear the upper portion. But on the hood, we have to unmask the fine line tape and hope for nice crisp lines. Okay, officially ready for clear coat. We masked off the grills, that way we don't get any clear coat on them. And we're gonna make this paint job seamless. We masked it right on the edge, so you shouldn't be able to feel the transition between the paint and the carbon fiber. And then here, we'll clear it and then we'll remove the fine line tape to reveal all the carbon. And our spoiler. Let's clear it. All right, our hood, our bumper, and our rear trunk spoiler is painted and looking beautiful. Turned out super clean, very happy with it. Well, the job turned out super clean. There are a few dirt nibs in the paint due to the fact that we had to mask it and then unmask it and then clear it. So usually when you have to do many steps like that, there's gonna be a few dirt nibs. But most importantly, we have nice crisp lines and the hood looks great overall. All the little dirt nibs, they'll polish out. That's not a problem, but if your line was messed up or if you had a bleed through, you can't really fix that unless you redo everything. So very happy overall. There's a few dirt nibs right there as well. Few right here. But overall, very, very clean job. Same with the rear bumper. We got a nice crisp line. The rear bumper is clean. I don't see any dirt nibs. Like I said, we didn't mess with it. We prepped it, masked it up, and then didn't uncover anything until the clear was dry. So bumper turned out a lot cleaner, same with the spoiler. Hood looks beautiful. After we color sand and polish out the nibs, it's gonna look even better. So